What's the meaning of cineast? Cineast. Cineast.
Cineast. Cineast. The word cineast refers to a person who is an enthusiast or expert in the field of cinema. It is often used to describe someone who has a deep passion for movies and is knowledgeable about film history, theory, and criticism. Cineasts can be filmmakers, critics, scholars, or simply avid moviegoers. They value the art of filmmaking and appreciate the various artistic elements that make up a great movie, such as cinematography, storytelling, and acting. Overall, cineasts are passionate advocates for the importance and beauty of cinema as an art form.